What is going on, guys? So in the last video we deleted the rear wiper off of this. Something else I don't like about the back of this car is this Focus emblem. And it's not that it looks bad or anything. It's extremely hard to clean around, and I think it would just look a lot cleaner with just the ST badge back here. So today we're going to remove this Focus badge, clean all of the glue and stuff behind it, and we're going to see what it looks like with the Focus badge. So guys, let's get right into it. Alright, a little close-up of what I'm talking about. Trying to clean in between here, and when I'm chamoising or wiping off the microfiber towel, it always gets caught in here. So, I don't know. I just really, compared to the rest of the back of the car, the rear wiper and that was my least favorite things back here. So, I think I am going to go ahead and remove this. And I think it'll look way better without it. I could be wrong, but either way, we're going to rock it without it. And so anyways, a lot of people use like fishing line. I think I'm just going to use a plastic trim panel tool. And I have some Goo Gone if I really need it. So guys, let's get started. All right, guys, I'm sure there's a safer way to do this, but this is plastic, and I'm just going to try to be as careful as I can. But I'm just going to kind of work this off and try to be as gentle as I can with this. Without scratching my paint. Again, this is plastic. Guys, if you don't have some good trim panel tools, I'm going to link some in the description box below. Click on it, purchase it. It does help the channel at no extra charge to you. And I'll be doing that in all my videos from now on, because people are always asking me for tool recommendations. So it's like, hey, you know, the stuff you all see me using in the video, you know, let's go ahead and link it down in the description box below. So, all right. So like I said, I know there's going to be some glue and stuff behind here, and that's perfectly okay. I'm going real slow. And I'm kind of prizing away because I do not want to scratch this paint, which this paint's already swirly anyways. In a few videos, I'm probably going to do a paint correction video. So anything this is doing, it's just going to come off anyways, because I'm going to do a paint correct video and do some buffing and polishing on this car. All right, well, there it is. So like I said, this is not a badge that has the things in it where it leaves holes in your hatch. This just comes right off. So that's pretty cool. So alright guys, we are going to, I'm not going to bore you all to death with this, but basically I'm just going to go over this and rub all of this glue off. And we will be right back when I get this cleaned up a little bit. And I might have to rub some Goo Gone on it, but I think it's already looking better so far, and I think it's going to look really clean once we get all this off. Alright, here's the progress so far. As you can see, it's got, there's still some sticky stuff. So I'm going to put some Goo Gone on a rag. So let's see if I can do this one-handed. All right. I put a little Goo Gone on a rag. We're just going to kind of wipe around real gentle. And then there's still some rubber. It's hard to see, but I have this plastic razor blade. And I'm just going to kind of ease around this while this is lubed up with the Goo Gone. I'm going to kind of rub this. Wow. That was much easier than I anticipated. So anyways, guys, if you're curious on how to get rid of your focus emblem and what it looks like afterwards, oh man, I think it's much improved without that focus emblem and that the rear wiper delete. Guys, what do you all think? Comment down below. Does it look better without the rear wiper and the focus badge? I think it does. Like I said, let's argue in the chat below and get it going. Alright guys, sorry for the short video today. Like I said, this badge is flush on the back. It does not have the pins that create holes or leave holes in your body wherever you take them off. But anyway, so don't be afraid to take this off. And like I said, it took me literally maybe a minute to get all that excess glue and stuff off. So anyways, guys, what do y'all think? I think it looks amazing. I'm really liking where my build's going. Guys, if this is your first time here, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Check out all my other videos. We got an F-150 or F-150, RX-8, and this on the channel. We got some more vehicles coming soon. Guys, make sure you're following us on all the social medias. Hit the thumbs up button. Comment down below if you think it looks better without the focus emblem. Guys, visit www.pandamotorworks.com. Use code BLEWIS to save yourself some money. Until next time.